Excel 2016 Module 8, pages 508 through 512. All right, let's go take a look at page 508 and read about conditional formatting, highlighting duplicate values. Okay, make sure you read that. We've worked with conditional formatting before, so I don't think this is going to be terribly hard for you. At the top of page 509, to highlight duplicate employee IDs using conditional formatting, if you took a break, make sure that we're here, right, in our MBHC data workbook. All right, go to the employee data worksheet. And then select the data in column A. Okay? On the Home tab in the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting button. Home tab, Styles group, Conditional Formatting. Then click Duplicate Values. I missed a step. Sorry about that. First point to highlight cell rules. Thank you very much. Then click Duplicate Values. Click the Values With arrow. So it says Values With right there. Hit that down pointing arrow. And then select Custom Format right there. Okay. The Format Cells dialog box opens. So you can create a format that is not on the list. You're going to change the background fill color to red. Step number 5, click the Fill tab. And then in the background color palette, click red, which is the second color in the last row. It's that one right there. Okay, it's the only red. It's easy to find this time. Go ahead and click OK. And then click OK. Scroll the table. Okay, and you'll see that there aren't any duplicate values showing up in red. So we need a test to ensure that this actually works. To test the duplicate value conditional formatting, click on cell A2. Observe that the employee ID in that cell is 1102. Select cell A5. Notice that this employee ID is 1114. In cell A5, entered 1102. Press your Enter key. The employee ID changes to 1102, and cells A2 and A5 are filled with red because they contain a duplicate employee ID. So, if you were doing this in the real world, the first thing you should have done was written down this number so that when we're done, we can make sure we turn it back to the right number. All right, go ahead and turn the page. Read about, I forgot to change the number back, which I was supposed to do, right? Okay, maybe not. All right, so we have it in there and we have a mistake. Using the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. At the top of page 511, on the Home tab in the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting button and then go to Manage Rules. So this time we're going to go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. The Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box opens, listing all of the formatting rules for the current selection, which in this case is the employee table. I love it when they name it that. Step number 2, verify that the Show Formatting Rules for box shows this table. Okay, so show formatting rules for this table. So we have it. All the rules currently in effect in the employee table are displayed. You can add new rules and edit or delete existing rules. You also can control which formatting rules are displayed in the dialog box, such as all rules in a specific worksheet or table. Step number 3, click Edit Rule. Right there. The Edit Formatting Rule dialog box opens. Turn to page 512. Click the Format button. Let's go to the Fill tab. If you've not already clicked on it, just go ahead and click on it. And this time we're going to make it gold instead of red. And then click OK. And then click OK. And then click OK. And are you okay? Because there it is. You can see now that we changed it from red to gold. Now we're going to correct that number. To correct the duplicate ID, make sure that cell A5 is your active cell. Type in 1114, press your Enter key, duplicates are gone. Okay, you are ready to save this and move on to your next video.